I met a man from up north, said he goes by Nick. December 24th, he works his favorite shift. He goes from house to house all across the land, dropping off the presents with his reindeer band. I asked him how you do it, said tell me the truth. He said Santa keeps a bottle of bourbon in his boot. Well, I thought to myself, and now it all makes sense. He's drinking top shelf with all the cookies and milk. He had to find a way to fight off the cold. It's a crazy Christmas story no one's ever been told. Yeah, his favorite part about the big red suit is that Santa keeps a bottle of bourbon in his boot. Kinda crazy, yeah, he likes it that way. He says it's 'cause the ladies love a man in a sleigh. He rocks a red coat while slinging the toys. Yeah, who'd have thought that Santa was a good old boy? He's got a suit on a suit, and I think it's kinda cute. Yeah, Santa shared the bottle of bourbon in his boot.